sure you ain't got nothing on you, though. That. That is a
He's smiling.
Here, Leland. Wipe her off with this. Wipe her really good. Want to sit down? Give me your head back, Lou. Right to the side, all right? Lou, does that feel good? No, let Leland take it. We gotta go back to Daddy, remember?